on almost 3 acres in Lee County, just off Lee Road 250. Welcome to 198 Lee Road 639 in Salem, Alabama. This totally updated home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 1,800 square feet. This kitchen is incredibly updated and includes a full complement of appliances. The master bedroom is spacious, and check out this ensuite bath. This is a split floor plan. Again, updates throughout with fresh paint, new flooring. This has it all and is definitely move-in ready. Sitting on a beautiful 2.75 acre lot in Lee County, this all-brick home is a fantastic find. You will love the added storage. There's a 2-car attached garage, an awning carport, an amazing workshop, and an additional shed for all of your recreation toys and hobbies. 198 Lee Road 639 in Salem, Alabama. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.